Bueno. I didn't think that'd work.
Don't spit on my bed. I'll be.
Stop it, David. Oh.
This is my only shirt.
Stop. Hey, Davey. What? Come here. How do you like my shirt?
It's a nice shirt. I like it.
You look completely different in it. You look like if I don't show your head, it looks like me. Kind of. Only I don't have that wide shoulders. But.
Hasta luego.
So right there you see a house, and this house is very special to me because this is the house where I stayed the first time I came to Honduras. And if you have seen my testimony video, you will know that on my first trip to Honduras I got saved. Well, funny story, because this house, more specifically the room that I'm going to be going into in a second, is actually the room that I got saved in, which is a wild thought to think about. That one right there, where it's lit up and they're in there. Right there is where I quite literally got saved. There used to be a bed there, obviously, but that was the night where I sat on the bed and called out to God.
Got you all, take me home.